Vapor chamber cooling system in smartphones. Welcome to this presentation on the vapor chamber cooling system in smartphones. As smartphones become more powerful and compact, efficient heat management has become essential. The vapor chamber is one of the most advanced thermal technologies used today to keep devices cool and running smoothly. What is a vapor chamber? A vapor chamber is a thin, sealed metal plate that contains a small amount of liquid, usually purified water. When heat is generated by the processor, this liquid evaporates and spreads the heat evenly across the surface. This prevents localized hotspots and maintains a uniform temperature inside the smartphone. In simple terms, it acts like a flat heat pipe, transferring heat away from critical components. How it works? The vapor chamber works through a continuous cycle of evaporation and condensation. When the CPU or GPU heats up, the liquid inside the chamber turns into vapor. The vapor rapidly moves toward cooler areas, where it releases the heat and condenses back into liquid. A wick structure then draws the liquid back to the heat source using capillary action, allowing the cycle to repeat endlessly. This process ensures consistent cooling even during heavy usage. Advantages of vapor chamber cooling. There are several advantages of using vapor chamber cooling. It helps maintain a stable device temperature and prevents thermal throttling, allowing the processor to perform at its best. It extends both the device and battery life by preventing overheating. Vapor chambers also enable slim phone designs, as they are more efficient than traditional heat pipes. This makes them ideal for high-performance smartphones. Examples in modern smartphones. Today's leading smartphone brands use vapor chambers to enhance performance. For example, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra uses a large vapor chamber to manage eye processing heat. OnePlus 13R employs it to deliver smoother gaming performance, while Asus's ROG series uses multi-layer vapor chambers for extreme cooling. These innovations ensure that smartphones can handle demanding tasks without slowing down. Summary. To summarize, vapor chamber cooling is a vital part of modern smartphone engineering. By utilizing phase change heat transfer, it maintains thermal balance, supports high performance, and extends device lifespan.